Hello and welcome to Spanish Basics. In this module, I'll be speaking to you about numbers. Now the topics will be as follows. We'll begin with a discussion on cardinal numbers and then follow that with a discussion on ordinal numbers. In this table on cardinal numbers, you have what information that you need to count from 1 through 99. So let me go through this beginning with number 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11 is 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 21 is 21, 22 is 22, 30 is 30, 31 is 31, 40 is 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. Now, numbers 16 through 19 and 21 through 29 can also be written as one word with a tweak to the spelling. For example, the number 16 can be 16, 17, 17, etc. The number 21 can be written as 21, 22 is 22, etc. Now, for numbers ending in uno, drop the O before masculine nouns, change O to A for feminine nouns. For example, un hombre is one man, una mujer is one woman, 21 muchachos is 21 boys, 21 muchachas is 21 girls. Now in this table, you have the information to count from 100 through 1 million. So let's begin with 100. 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900, 1000 is 1,000, 2000 is 2,000, un millón is a million, dos millones is 2 million. Note the irregular spelling of 500, 700, and 900. Peculiarities of ciento are as follows. Ciento becomes cien immediately before a noun. So you have the example here, 100 flores, 100 flowers. Now, know what happens here though. 140 flores, 140 flowers. Now, ciento becomes cien before mil and millones. So, as an example, 100,000 is 100,000. 100 millones is 100 million. Now here, we can see that un is not used before ciento or mil, but is used before millón. For example, 150 is 150. 1000 botellas is 1,000 bottles. 2,000 botellas is 2,000 bottles. Un millón de personas is 1 million people. 2 millones de personas is 2 million people. Millón y millones require de when followed by a noun. Now here we're going to discuss ordinal numbers. Let's go through this table, starting with first. First is primero, then segundo, tercero, cuarto, quinto, sexto, séptimo, octavo, noveno, décimo. The ordinal number must be in gender agreement with a noun. For example, los primeros estudiantes is the first students. La segunda habitación is the second room. Ordinal numbers above 10th are usually replaced by cardinal numbers. El octavo piso is the 8th floor. El piso 15 is the 15th floor. Note how the cardinal number follows the noun. With dates, the first of the month is primero, then cardinal numbers are used with all other days. El primero de septiembre is the 1st of September. The 9th of October is el 9 de octubre. Now we're at the end of this module, but I'd like to give you a little refrain or a proverb. Algo es algo, menos es nada. Something is something, less is nothing. Half a loaf is better than none. Thank you for watching Spanish Basics. I hope you enjoyed it. Muchas gracias. Hasta luego.